Hello little friends, gather close for a wild story. Today's tale is playful, yet full of glory. Bluey woke early, sunshine warming her face. She stretched happily, ready for morning's race. Bingo whispered softly, "Let's play outside today." Bluey barked gladly, "We'll explore and play." The yard felt alive, grass shining so bright. Can you imagine colors, glowing with light? Suddenly Bluey gasped, her eyes opened wide. A giant ant marched, with powerful stride. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, so you never miss Bluey's adventure. The ant was huge, taller than the tree. Bluey wagged bravely, shouting with glee. "Hello giant ant," Bluey called with cheer. "Want to play games, right over here?" The ant nodded slowly, its antennae swayed. Bluey felt excited, yet not afraid. Bingo laughed loudly, clapping her paws. The ant bent low, following rules and laws. They played tag, running circles so wide. Bluey chased swiftly, keeping right beside. The ant stomped gently, yet never too loud. Bluey barked proudly, drawing a crowd. Dad peeked outside, shocked at the sight. Mom giggled softly, "It's all right." Can you imagine running with an ant that tall? Wouldn't that be amazing for us all? Bluey jumped higher, her tail spinning round. The ant twirled slowly, shaking the ground. The game soon ended, laughter filled the air. Friendship was glowing, strong and fair. The ant bowed gently, ready to go. Bluey waved kindly, "Thanks for the show." Bingo whispered softly, "What a great day." Bluey smiled warmly, "Hooray, hooray." The sun dipped slowly, painting skies red. Bluey felt joy, her heart well fed. The ant disappeared, beyond the tall gate. Bluey sighed calmly, "That was great." Good night dear listeners, dream adventures so true. Remember to like and subscribe. Bluey loves you too.